Even in a judicial process, don't lose heart, because there are any number of examples in Indian judicial history where persistence has paid off and even a negative decision has been reversed at some point of time. You're not investing in the next 5 years or 10 years or 15 years, you're effectively investing in the next 35 to 40 years. Because you're racing against the anti-dharmic investment of at least the last 150 years. And at the very least the last 70 years. So you should be looking at least conservatively speaking, 2 decades of significant investment. Freeing temples from state control is not the destination, it is the means to another destination, it is the beginning of a journey. So unless and until this particular goal itself is achieved in a conceivable and a relatively foreseeable timeline, there are so many other issues which this particular issue itself can address that you will not be in a position to. Think of it, I'm throwing a couple of wild options open. Today, Hindu fertility rate is significantly going down because educated couples do not want to have more than 1 child, or even having 1 child has become a serious issue. If the institution were to take, if every sampradaya and its matha were to take the responsibility to say, 1 child for yourself and 1 child for the community, we will take care of the 1 child. We will take care of it entirely. If the community, or let's say its institutions, have the freedom and the resources to take those decisions, to a significant extent, you will be in a position to even replace yourself, which is to say, and to quote a philosopher, a contemporary philosopher, at the very least, every civilization's duty is to replace itself, which is to say, you must at least have equal number of people who can occupy your positions. Today, Hindu fertility rate has significantly gone down, and we are not even sure if we are in a position to replace it. So look at the kind of serious problems that this particular institution is capable of addressing, provided it doesn't fight this battle with both hands tied to its back, which is what it is doing at this point.